Have you encountered high backgrounds? False positives? During your reagent development process, have you faced any of the problems? This is likely caused by interfering substances. Adding blocking reagents can effectively neutralize them. Blocking reagents fall into two categories: active and passive. Cnpair's blocking reagents cut interference at low doses. At 100 micrograms per milliliter, we achieve over 98% blocking efficiency against HAMA1 and RF, and 85% for HAMA2. For TP assays on the chemoluminescence, it dramatically reduces false positives and enhances diagnostic accuracy. Choose Cnpairs and easily resolve interference issues in your assays.